Thumbnail. What is thumbnail? Is the thumbnail only a small reduced size image or preview of a larger image or video? Hello everyone and welcome back again. Before starting a video, if you like the video, then please do subscribe to the channel. Many viewers are watching the videos without subscribing, so please do check my recent videos and subscribe to the channel only if you like my content. And I will show you today how I created my thumbnail and which app I use to make creative thumbnails. So, let's start today's topic. Thumbnail. It is the first impression that your viewers get at the very first time when your videos are suggested to them. What you do inside the video does matter, but it's a secondary matter. Very first comes thumbnail and the titles. So you need to make it look attractive. If you are a pro YouTuber, then you can make it in a second. But what about new YouTubers? Basically, new creators struggle here. And also, some old creators also do. It's very simple though. If you have a creative mind, you do fail in delivering good thumbnails sometimes. You can't get creative thumbnail every time. And it also depends on the experience. The successful YouTubers have also started their journey with the poor thumbnail. You will start creating good thumbnails only after creating some 10 to 20 thumbnails. I personally create thumbnail first before making videos. I try making variations in thumbnail, and I will move to video only after getting a good thumbnail. Because I know that a good thumbnail plays a 70 to 80% role in bringing views to the video. A good thumbnail also helps you in a better CTR, and you know that if you have better CTR, then the chances of going viral increases. So let me come to the point where you are waiting for. Now I will show you some 2 to 3 thumbnails of my recent videos on how I actually do them. So let's start. I use the Pixel Lab application for making thumbnails. So after opening this application, it looks like this. And I am learning Adobe Photoshop, so after completion I may shift to this. Coming to this thumbnail, it is actually very simple and attractive. I took some 10 to 15 steps to do this. Let me show you. Firstly, I took this black with white dots background, with some glitch effect. After that, I added some lines to make it more attractive. After that, I took a 3D image of YouTube and Chrome and adjusted it here. I wrote this text and added an arrow mark. After that, to make this thumbnail more attractive, I added a green upper arrow and a red lower arrow, which indicates the less or more views on YouTube. So finally, I found this attractive. Coming to this thumbnail, it is also very easy. Firstly, I took a graph which is an increment order. After that, I added some tools which indicate the increment. Add some emoji which makes viewers curious. And finally, add text in empty spaces. That's it. Let me show you the last thumbnail. Actually, this thumbnail has a high click-through rate compared to others. So firstly, I selected this stage background. After that, I wrote this text and added an upwards arrow. And I took a PNG of VidIQ and added it in corner. After that, I kept on adding the text which was required for that thumbnail. After this, I felt that the downward portion was looking incomplete, so I added some money PNG. So now this thumbnail was looking attractive to me, so I published it. So guys, today I have shared with you how I make thumbnails, and I will be sharing similar contents in this channel. You can check my recent videos, and if you like my work, then please do subscribe to the channel. Your subscription means a lot to me. Until then, keep visiting the channel. I will meet you in the next video with another great content.